Hello everyone, welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products. On my right hand, there's a glass door display freezers. And for the units, you can see this one have the stainless steel panels at the front. And when you're looking down of the units, we're having the controllers right here, marked with the freezer digital controls from the DXOs, and the switchers control the LED lights. And also we're having the top banners with lights inside. Let's take a look at the overall size dimensions first. The unit's entirely the length will be 27.5 inches wide. And the overall depths include the handlebars. They're about 28 inches deep. And the overall heights for the units, they are almost about like 85 inches tall. So let's take a look at the inner side dimension too. As you can see, the inner side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 adjustable shelvings and the LED light strips on the side, the big ventilation fan on top of the units. The inner side dimensions will be 20 inches deep. It's about like a 21.5 inches wide. And the height for the inner side of the units will be 51.5 inches. Also, this glass door steel layers and anti-fog with a softer close. And for the inner side, the sticker information is right here. You can see the ETL NSF sanitation approves, and also the diagrams and the cost sheets details, and the serial number for the faster service. And for the units, we mounted the compressor at the bottoms, and on the back side of the units, they're having the US standard of 110 plugs. This will be the all information about our products for these freezers. If you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you.